and welcome to another episode.
Say again twice.
Episode.
Hello gurus, that was my fiance and she's amazing. Welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict where it's going to go. We're getting a strong bounce here and it's holding. This is a triple bottom, but in my opinion it's going to bull trap everyone. I'm short. My short is currently down around 30%, $4,000, but I will add more to the short unless we break 44,000 where my stop loss is. I do think Bitcoin is going to break down here. A death cross is about to occur, which I'm going to show you on the technicals. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin, see where it's going to go. Is it going to hold here? Should you be going short? Do you think it's finished? Should we be going long? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think this Bitcoin drop is finished? Or do you think we're going into a bear market? Comment down below. I want to know your opinions as well. This is what I'm doing in the markets, and in my opinion, I'm going to keep shorting Bitcoin as long as we stay under 44,000, expecting a big drop to 29K where I'm going to buy a lot of Bitcoin at this point. We're also going to jump into the charts for Ethereum and see what Ethereum is going to do. Also, Magicraft, we launch on MEXC exchange today, one of the biggest exchanges in the world. MCRT is now going to be starting to trade in less than 20 hours on MEXC, this big exchange, and the price has gone up a bit since then. But in my opinion, don't get too caught up in the fluctuations for, like, the project only released 1 month ago or less than a month ago. This is a 4 to 10 year project. We have amazing NFT marketplace coming, staking on Bitmart now. MEXC will also have DeFi staking. We have MVP of the game being developed. We have 147 influencers, including Carl from the Moon, Da Vinci, Crypto, some of the biggest influencers in the space. So a lot going on. Let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. Now we're going to the charts for Bitcoin, and this is the big thing. The golden cross is about to occur, everyone. This is why I'm still bearish also. But there is signs that we could actually be holding on. But look at this. Look at this golden cross that's about to occur on Bitcoin. And that's worrying. This is the death cross. Look how close it is to crossing. Maybe Bitcoin can survive, bounce back here and avert this big cross. The last time we had the golden cross was here. So golden cross is when it goes up, and we went up from 44,000 to 67,000. Now we're about to have a death cross. And the last time the death cross occurred was up here at 42,000 before it fell down to 29K. So around the same place we are now, which I find interesting. I think the death cross is going to occur. Why am I having these theories? I'm going to show you. So I'll turn off there we go. So the overall trend of Bitcoin is trending up, and it's been following this major trend line all for the last 2 years, bouncing on this major trend line. And as you can see, it bounced exactly on this trend line a few times. But now if you zoom in, you can see that yesterday we actually pierced that trend line. A big recovery bounce back though, but we did pierce it. But Bitcoin is going on a run right now, 42,400. So my trade is currently quite in the negative, around $4,000 in the negative. RSI and stochastic very oversold, turning to head up on the daily. So there is some bullish scenario, there is some bullish indicators. We are way below the EMA ribbons though, so we're still in a bear market. We're still in a downtrend at the moment. Let's see. So the death cross about to occur. Let's go closer and see what's going to happen for the next few hours. On the 4 hourly, we are very overbought on the 4 hourly. RSI and stochastic still heading up, but quite overbought. We're trying to come into the EMA ribbons right now. We got a bit of a pump in the last 1 hour. RSI and stochastic heading up. But the RSI and the stochastic is very overbought right now. This is the moment of truth. If Bitcoin can get a big breakout here through the EMA ribbons, we might actually come up and test this resistance one at 45,000. My trade will liquidate and I'll lose around $6,000. But because I'm the founder of a big project, MCRT, and I have a lot of seed investments, I might lose $6,000, but I make millions of dollars on my portfolio going up. So it's kind of, one, I would be wrong because I'd lose $6,000 on my trade, but then I would be my portfolio and all my holdings of my seed investments would go up millions of dollars. So it's kind of a weird feeling. I'm kind of unhappy that Bitcoin is going up against my trade, but then I make millions more on it going up. So it's kind of interesting. We also have another bullish reason. We have a lot of volume, RSI and stochastic heading up, and we have a triple bottom on this blue line. Look how this blue line is from I drew this line almost a year ago, and look how accurately it's bouncing on this blue trend line. The only thing, it did pierce through, and it could be a bull trap, but look at this candle go right now. We just went up almost $1,000 in the last 4 hourly candle. RSI and stochastic heading up. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we're above the hourly EMA ribbons, and they're trying to turn right now, and they haven't really turned for a while since we started dropping from the 69k. Look at that, RSI and stochastic heading up. This hourly candle, we just did we went from 41,600 to 42,500, so $1,000 pump on Bitcoin right now. RSI and stochastic quite overbought. It does look like it is forming a bottom here. This is a big moment of important moment. If we can break through this 43k, Bitcoin could really run right now. So right now we're coming to a very important moment on Bitcoin. Can it break through? On the 15 minutes, what's going to happen for the next few hours? A lot of volume coming in. RSI and stochastic very overbought. Let's see if Bitcoin can break this. The line to break, it needs to get through 42,700 to go back into a bull run. So we're very important at the moment where we are. I have some trades open right now, but my short is currently in the negative. I'm down $4,600 on my short, 54%. My stop loss though is at 43,400. So I am holding on to this trade until it hits my stop loss. My take profit is at 35,000. So I am risking around how much am I risking? $8,500. So I'm risking with my stop loss $6,500 to potentially make $10,000, and that will be, I'll just take out half the trade and take out the remaining at 29k. But let's see, maybe Bitcoin can recover here. In this account, I have 2.38 Bitcoin, $101,000 in this account, and I'm currently short on Bitcoin. If you want to trade on Bitcoin, you can do so underneath this link underneath the video. Go below under this video and you can start trading. There's a sign up link down below under the video. You can sign up and join Bitcoin Bybit on Bybit to trade Bitcoin and to trade other altcoins and buy. Bybit is, in my opinion, the best exchange. If you've been trading on Binance, you open trades, you're automatically in the negative. Bybit doesn't do that. When you open trades, you're almost always at zero, so you're not automatically in the negative. This Bybit link down below, when you go down, click on it, sign up, you get a sign up bonus USD of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit. But you have to deposit Bitcoin to get that bonus. So keep that in mind. There's also the cryptocurrency master course where you can join my 6,000 students and learn what I'm doing. I'm doing this from my phone. So right now, Bitcoin is trying to hold on. What do you think? Do you think it's going to break through right now, or do you think it's going to get rejected and then create this death cross that's coming up? Let's zoom in on the death cross again on the daily charts. Do you think Bitcoin is going to form this death cross and break down? Look how close it is. I'll turn off the EMA ribbons. These two lines, they're about to meet. Do you think the death cross is going to be averted, or do you think Bitcoin is going to do you think it's going to death cross, or do you think it's going to go up again? Let me know. What do you think in the comment section below? I am leaning to this head and shoulders playing out. This giant head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. I think we're going to have a big drop. But Bitcoin is trying to hold on this line, and there's a lot of support here. So let me know again in the comment section. What do you think? Also, Magic Craft today is up around 12% right now. Sitting at 3 cents, which is beautiful. Magicraft is MCRT. It's currently ranked 2,900 on the tokens. It's on 7,000 people's watch list. The market cap is 10.3 million. The fully diluted is 300 million. Look at the volume coming up in today. Almost $5 million in volume. 121% increase, and it's gone up quite a bit today. Big movement up from 25 cents to now to a high today of 35 cents. So quite a strong movement and a lot of volume coming into MCRT at the moment. It did just announce that it is listing. Today there was an announcement that MCRT is going to list on MEXC exchange, and there's going to be DeFi yielding. It's going to list on, you're going to be able to trade MCRT in less than 21 hours, MCRT USDT on MEXC exchange. So keep that in mind. MCRT is about to list on MEXC in less than 20 hours, which is beautiful. So that's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I want your opinions. Do you think we're going to get this death cross, or do you think Bitcoin is going to have a big recovery here? Let me know in the comment section below. And everyone, smash up this thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit the subscribe. Join my 67,000 subscribers, which is amazing. You're such a beautiful community. Thank you for all the chats and the comments, and just amazing community. Hopefully, a part of me wants Bitcoin to break down here because I've got this trade open. If it doesn't, I'll lose $6,000. If the trade succeeds, I make around $10,000 plus, because I'll only close half. But the other part of me wants Bitcoin to survive here, cancel the death cross and head up, because then on all my seed investments on so many other projects, I make millions upon millions. So it's a very important moment right now for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. This is James from Stock Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.